Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, after many months of effort, dedication, and the support of our community, the renovations at Masjid Tayibah are now in the final stages. It's incredible to see how far we have come. From the outside, the masjid has completely transformed. The new structure, the facade, and overall design have given it a fresh identity, one that's modern, inviting, and built to serve our community for generations to come. What was once a construction site filled with scaffolding and dust is now a nearly complete house of Allah, standing strong and ready for the final touches. Alhamdulillah, the vision we began with is now a reality, and we are so close to reopening these doors once again, inshallah. Stepping inside, the progress is just as inspiring. The men's ablution facilities are now fully fitted and complete. The tiling is done, the new taps, toilets, showers, and wudu benches are all in place, bringing a completely new level of comfort, cleanliness, and functionality. It's a space designed with care and attention to detail, ensuring that every person who walks through can make wudu with ease and peace of mind. What was once one of the biggest areas under construction has now become one of the most beautifully finished sections of the masjid. Alhamdulillah. The women's facilities have also been completed, carefully designed for privacy, comfort, and convenience. Every part of this area, from the tiling to the layout, has been built to ensure sisters have a clean, welcoming space to prepare for their prayers. Moving into the main prayer area, the transformation is remarkable. The plastering, lighting, and finishing details are now complete, and the entire space feels bright, open, and peaceful. At the front, the minbar area is taking shape beautifully, with elegant wood finishes that add warmth and character to the musalla. It's a sight that reminds us just how far this project has come, from bare concrete walls to a space that's nearly ready for salah. As we move towards the back of the musalla, the open space is now completely cleared and ready for the next big milestone, the installation of the carpets, inshallah. This final step will bring the masjid together, transforming it from a building site into a true place of worship once again. We want to take this moment to sincerely thank everyone for your ongoing support, your contributions, and your patience throughout this journey. The masjid has been temporarily closed for the past 2 weeks, so the team can complete these final tasks, and inshallah, we are now preparing to reopen very soon. It's been a journey of faith, unity, and perseverance, and now we can almost see the finish line. May Allah reward every person who's donated, worked, or made dua for this project. Jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.